Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are ready, fit and fine. Hey, love you all, and you love us so beautiful, so elegant, so gorgeous designs and beautiful articles. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this harming, like this attractive videos, and we have to share with you. We have to share with newest designs, newest videos, and this video is all about the crochet granny skirt designs. Crochet granny skirts ideas are used in different patterns, different designs of different articles. We have to share with newly videos and just looking say some things for ideas. It's so looking gorgeous, so looking perfectly videos and more creative videos I have shared with you, and I want to share with beautiful designs, beautiful videos with creative videos and just looking so elegant designs and amazingly videos of we have to share with newly videos and attractive ideas. And this is so elegant videos we have to share with you. I have shared with many more attractive designs, many more gorgeous videos, and just looking say some things, say newly designed and more creative videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking elegant designs and different types of designs, different types of videos, and just looking gorgeous designs I have shared with you. I have shared with newest designs, and so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members will be connected and hit subscribe to our channels and press the bell icons for all notifications, hits buttons. We have to share with newly videos, newly attractive designs and newest videos I have shared with you. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you are that interested in my videos in these attractive and newest design. So take care yourself. So do not forget to audience videos. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are ready, fit and fine. Hey, love you all, and you love us so beautiful, so elegant, so gorgeous designs and beautiful articles. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue